God helps those that helps themselves. God helps those that helps themselves. My dear students, parents, teachers, and all the well-wishers, welcome back to another motivational quote. When I think of this quote, the first person comes into my mind, Nick Vujicic. Australian-born, Australian-American motivational speaker. He's born with a peculiar disorder, without limbs, without fully formed limbs. Mother, reluctant, and she was scared even to hold the little baby when Nick Vujicic is born, when nurse is trying to show mother, this is your beautiful baby boy. Looking at those not formed limbs, she refused to carry or hold the baby. Just imagine. Today we all speak, whenever you try to just type N-I-C, Nick, in the Google, you get his name first. He is the most searched motivational speaker. He loves swimming, he loves surfing, he is a golfer without limbs. Can you imagine? He can surf, he can swim, he can go for golf. And he jumps onto the stages of the international platforms to give motivational speeches. This quote reminds me of him. God helps those that help themselves. First, we should help ourselves. I come across few people also who says, okay, let this be done, then I'll do. Let this be done, then I start reading. Let this be finished. We always wait as human. It's a human nature. We enjoy if someone is helping us, right? If we sit, someone is giving us all the favors. If they are doing our favors, we sit and enjoy. How nice, my friend. Without me asking, they come and help. How nice is my mother. Without me asking, she provides all the food for me. I sit back in the couch and enjoy. Human tendency, we enjoy when someone is helping us. Kindly don't wait for someone to help you. Even if it is your friend or your own mother or your own sister or your own wife or your own husband. Don't wait for someone's help. Help yourself till the last minute. Help yourself. For such the favor of God. For such people who help themselves. In your own limitation, you help yourself. Then God helps such people at the right moment with the right things. Many experienced this. Even the students at the student life. Without reading, you can't expect God to help you with the answers at the examination time. Without practice in the ground from every day in the morning on the tracks running, how can you expect that you be a champion in the track and field event? And how can you pray to God in the last minute, Lord, you come, help me? God is very clear. God helps those that help themselves. He doesn't help the lazy people. He doesn't help the people who just move around, run around, doing nothing. He doesn't help the people when they just sit back and look up into the heavens that something falls from the heaven and give them a favor. It doesn't happen. Because even Vivekananda also has quoted saying that one fool just waited, said that I will cross this river only when all the water in the river goes into the sea. Can this ever happen? The whole water in the river goes into the sea, then he starts crossing the river. Not possible. You get up, start crossing the river. There will be a path, there will be a way so that you can go across the river. These are all lame excuses. If God gives me a cycle, then only I go to school. Wrong. Start going to school. God will provide a cycle. If I get this only, I will do that. No. Start helping yourself with what you have. Start helping yourself how much you can do to the maximum. Then only you know the real strength of you. When nothing is there, when no one is helping, when you're trying to do your own work, I tell you, you get that most satisfaction because it is you totally doing that work. It is you completing that given assignment, given homework, given project with your own abilities, with your own skills, with your own talents. Then you realize, oh, unnecessary, I waited my friend to do this. But how talented I am, I have completed the whole thing. Then only we realize what are our beautiful good things that we can do. Then you will have God's favor also. I want all of you to think about this great motivation for the whole universe this Monday. Think of it. God helps those that help themselves. Be blessed. Have a nice day.